I'm Dr. Anthony Caravello, board-certified diagnostic radiologist with subspecialty training in mammography and women's imaging, currently the co-director of the breast center in the Steeplechase Cancer Center. My patient care philosophy is basically to treat patients the way I would want to be treated or expect to be treated if I were a patient. Being up in the breast center, it's an environment filled with anxiety, a lot of apprehension. Patients are not happy to be there for their screening mammogram or their diagnostic mammogram. But I approach each patient as if they were my wife, essentially. If this was a family member, reading a mammogram, doing a biopsy, and giving one-on-one attention. Most of the time, people don't even know they're radiologists. You're just a name at the bottom of the report. But the breast center is an entirely different field. You're dealing one-on-one with patients, you're doing biopsies, you're delivering, fortunately for the most part, good information, but every now and then some bad information. And that's important to be compassionate and develop a one-on-one rapport with your patients. I think what's most rewarding about my job is alleviating some patient fears. A lot of times I work with patients and they have misconceptions about what to expect from a biopsy. They heard a friend have a biopsy, a very painful biopsy. This is going to be a very uncomfortable situation. And the most rewarding thing to me is to be able to do these procedures on patients and have them look up at me and say, "We're done?" And yeah, that's it, we're done, this is it. And they have a completely different mindset on what just happened. And that's the most rewarding part of my job. What's most unique about the Steeplechase Cancer Center is it's a new facility, fairly new facility, with a lot of motivated individuals. I was fortunate enough being part of an outside group that's been contracted by the hospital to provide services in radiology, to come into such a brand new facility shortly out of my training and to really work one-on-one with technologists that take pride in their work, very well trained, and it's been an excellent experience.